If the time is right, if the time is right, and it all depends on a lot of things. I haven't been taking part in this political process since it started in 1987. You need to know the people you are working with, and you need to know that a tree does not make a forest. Like I said, nobody claps with only one hand.
It has to be both.
It has to be so many hands.
But there is this general acceptance.
Yeah, there is the attitude of our people that it's about time we had a leader from this part of the country too. That is part of the thing too. But I agree with that. I don't know. See, I'm thinking about it.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained.
No, I've ventured a lot. You see, a situation where I will have to go through primaries and so on when I haven't really made any preparation. That there are 7,000 words in this country. 7,000 words.
You have made preparations. You have.
You think I have?
Yes, I think you have. You don't have to go out there.
That's true.
You have.
The name is already there.
Anyway, we
wish you luck, sir.
Yeah, thank you. I will be able to let you know about the 3rd or so of March. Okay. All the reports will have come in then. You know, I don't do things without examining them. And although we didn't have time to prepare for this interview, it is clear that the answer showed exercise my mind on all those issues that you raised.
Exactly.
I think about it all the time.